Leave it on neutral.
When did you guys change over? When did you guys change over to the new car?
About 6 months.
Looks good.
Around.
Wait, you don't do any tires or anything? Huh. This would be interesting. Wipers off, foot off pedal, hands off wheel. This is going to be interesting. Triple thumb twice. Interesting. That's a lot of wax they're putting out. My friend John created the triple foam. You remember John? And you remember Omar, or remember the guy that was at the one at Neil's? I think you went to his house or something.
Yeah.
He created, you know that, did you see that rain wash?
Mm-hmm.
He created that.
Mm.